Hello Patreon people, my most favorite people of all. I am a little late on the February video, but I thought we'd just go ahead and continue from the January video about the 2020 printer build. I did look through all the comments because I wanted your suggestions on what we would build, and most of you want to build some sort of hypercube. So I started looking around at a lot of the options we have. I wanted to use the Exoslides, so I just went over to the Exoslide site to see what was going on, and I found this. And I found the ExoCube printer. Now I have seen this printer before. I've seen it at Murph and Earth, but for some reason it never really occurred to me to go buy this build of materials when I was using my Exoslides to build a printer. So since so many people wanted to do a hypercube style printer, I thought this would be a great place to start. There's a few things in here I really like, especially the 4 Z-rods. We'll definitely have to do that. Now there will be some change up because I think I'm going to make mine just a bit smaller, but this is pretty good. I like this design. So we'll probably start here. So I've never wanted to reinvent the wheel. I do like that printer design. I'm sure we'll change a lot of things up to fit our needs, but it would be a good starting place to get us going. And I really need to get going on that project. I have a lot of other stuff going on. You can see the Ender 3 here. I'm doing a lot of projects with that. I have the tool changer running. You might be able to hear it in the background. But one of the things that's been bothering me the most, and not really bothering me, is all the different Big Tree Tech boards. It is kind of stressful being able to help others with all these different board designs. And I'm always one to help, I don't mind that at all, but it is getting pretty hard to keep up with all these different boards. We have the 1.3, we have two different 1.4s, one's turbo, that's a different processor. We have a mini DIP, that's the STM processor style. And then we have the Pro. They also make one now that's kind of comparable to a Duet board with a Duex breakout board. I haven't even touched that one yet, but I'm not looking forward to answering a lot of questions on it. And don't get me wrong, I love Big Tree Tech and the direction that they're going in. I like to see everybody getting involved with Marlin 2.0 and 32-bit boards, and Big Tree Tech makes it at an affordable price. But it is just a little bit stressful helping everyone with their configuration when some of these boards are even in kind of a beta state right now and might not work as expected. And since we're all family here, I thought it'd be okay to vent just a little bit in this video. But other than that, everything's going great. Murph 2020 is around 40 days away, so that's just right around the corner. I am pretty much ready for that. I'm bringing some stickers and some other stuff, so if I see you there, definitely get yourself one of those. One of the supporters said something about maybe I should create a file and then have you print it and bring it to Murph with you so I kind of know who the supporters are. That's a pretty cool idea. If I can get around to creating something, I'll definitely keep you updated on that. I know this month's video was kind of haphazard, but it's just another update of what's going on around here. Maybe some more structured videos for these are coming along the way, definitely some live streams, but as always, these videos are just for you. I always appreciate your support, and I'll see you on the next coffee break.